Assalamualaikum class 9. Today date is 6/7/2020. It's my 21st lecture and day is Thursday. Today I want to tell you about paragraph writing. You have done paragraph writing so many times, and many paragraphs are given in your book, in your grammar book. You can also see paragraph from your grammar book. I want to show you some paragraphs are given in chunks. It's on page number 6. It's on page number 60. A picnic. Some hints are some short sentences are given, and from these sentences you have to write the paragraph to your own. That is an activity, creative writing activity. If you want to write the paragraph to your own, you can also write the paragraph to your own. I just read 2-3 sentences to tell you how you have to write it. Such as in first sentence, in the beginning it is written, the rainy season had set in and dash. So set in, after you have to complete the sentence to your own. इसके बाद आपने जो sentences हैं वो खुद से complete करने हैं. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. It's your own idea. So the rainy season has set in. August and September are in the end of the summer. You can write the sentences to your own. All around it was lush green trees, lush green fields, lush green areas appear in our colony. So anything you can write over here. जो डैशेस हैं उनको फिल करने के लिए आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, और इससे पैराग्राफ कंप्लीट करना है आपने. All around it was lush green trees, out for picnic at the Jallow Park. So you can write the place to your own. You can also write about the Murray. We are going to Murray for a picnic. So out of picnic, so we all decided to go out for a picnic. So here you have to complete the sentence to say, so we all have decided to go out for picnic at the Jallow Park, any place you want to write. Dash, it was a family affairs. So all the family members were very excited because it was a family affair. We cooked meal out there. All the family members decided to cook some meal, and we have to cook something out there. So from the blanks you can fill it and try to write the paragraph on the topic a picnic. You can also write your own memory. It's not compulsory you have to follow the book. If you want to write the paragraph to your own, you can also write it. But if you want some help or some idea related to the paragraph, how you will write a paragraph about picnic, you can read these chunks. You can read these hints, and after these hints you can create your own paragraph about a picnic. First sentence will be the topic sentence. The rest of the sentence will be the supporting details, and at the end you will write concluding line, such as it is written, enjoyed the turn drive along the clean and green canal bank. So you can create your own sentence to your own to sum up or to conclude the paragraph. So topic sentence, concluding sentence is compulsory. जब भी हम पैराग्राफ लिखते हैं, कोई भी टॉपिक हो, इसमें टॉपिक सेंटेंस यानी जिस टॉपिक पे हम लिख रहे हैं उसको मस्ट लिखेंगे, और कंक्लूडिंग लाइन हम मस्ट लिखेंगे, और जितनी भी डिटेल्स उस पैराग्राफ से रिलेटेड होंगी वो इसकी सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स होंगी. I hope you have understand. It is your home task. You have to write a paragraph on topic a picnic. It's your home task. Allah Hafiz class.